Welcome to AccuWeb.Cloud. What is cluster computing? Cluster computing is a collection of tightly or loosely connected computers that work together so that they act as a single entity. The connected computers execute operations all together, thus creating the idea of a single system. The clusters are generally connected through fast lanes. Why is cluster computing important? Cluster computing offers a cost-effective alternative to large servers or mainframes, delivering faster content processing and critical services. Many organizations use it to enhance scalability, availability, speed, and resource management affordably. It ensures continuous computational power and supports high-performance parallel systems independent of specific hardware vendors. Advantages of cluster computing. The systems offer better and enhanced performance than that of mainframe computer networks. Cluster computing is manageable and easy to implement. Cluster computing is capable of combining several additional resources or the networks to the existing computer system. The other nodes will be active when one node gets failed and will function as a proxy for the failed node. It can be upgraded to the superior specification or additional nodes can be added. Types of cluster compute. High-performance clusters. High-performance clusters use backup nodes to ensure continuous data availability and uninterrupted service for essential business functions. Load balancing clusters. Requests are balanced across nodes with similar content, preventing overload common in web hosting. High availability clusters. HA clusters use backup nodes to ensure continuous data availability and uninterrupted service for essential business functions. Visit our website now at AccuWeb.Cloud for top cloud hosting solutions. Thank you for watching our video. Subscribe now for more updates.